Hi followers and viewers, and welcome back for a new episode of Sound of Color Art Talk. This time I'm going to take you for a journey from my life experience and an inspiration moment in India. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to show it to you.
When I landed in Delhi airport, first things first catch my eyes these beautiful art paintings which are signifies history, culture and religion. The biggest things I have noticed is the sculptures of the hand movement right above the immigration. I have got the opportunity to visit Lucknow and use the metro. And this beautiful mosaic have catch my eyes, which showcase the history of Lucknow. Lucknow known by the chikankari, which mean an embroidery work. And each embroidery work, it cannot be duplicated. And this beautiful art has been highlighted at the metro station. While going out from the stations, I have noticed these students practicing art and I get the opportunity to take a picture with them. During my stay in Lucknow, I got the opportunity to visit picture gallery. In my way there, I was so happy to see art everywhere in the wall, some of it highlighting religion, culture, and some of them just for music and education. When I reached the picture gallery, I was so happy to see these large paintings which been made on the late 19th century and early 20th century, which highlighting the rulers of Lucknow, the Nawabs. These large paintings, some of them have been made in a such of angle that you can feel it as a 3D. And when I asked the tour guide which mediums they have been used, I was so shocked that some of them is being made by semi-precious stone and pearl dust. The highlight of my visiting India is good opportunity to visit Amritsar and visiting the Golden Temple. This beautiful place is welcoming all people from all faith and religion. I was so inspired when I see the whole place painted in the color white, which highlighting the purity, and the main temple is color gold, which highlighting the richness. I was so lucky to visit this place during the sunrise and seeing the light of the sun reflecting on the temple and the water. It was so inspiring and so beautiful and so serene. I was so mesmerized by the people's colorful clothes. Against the white wall, it felt like is a color on a blank canvas.
Hope you have loved and inspired by a beautiful tour and journey in India, and I will look forward to share with you more of Art Talk, and this time we'll be back on my studio.